craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations affected include Atlantic City, Chicago, Water Reef, Garden State South Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Roanoke, Barnegat Light, North Kensington, 28-mile Wreck, Seaside Park, Brigham City, Ocean Reef, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Great Egg Inlet, Barnegat Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the